Chennai getting back to normal. Now, be it issues of consensus or discord, the passage of the day in Parliament has shown that if there is will to let the House function, there is a way. The winter session has seen its first day today, which was uninterrupted by noise, obstruction and adjournments. Lok Sabha even passed a bill related to judges' salaries. Here's how the day went in both the houses, with constructive discussions related to Nepal and drought in the country.
It was first day of the current winter session when parliament proceedings were smooth in both the houses. Both government and opposition worked together not only to ensure smooth proceedings but also for legislative business in the winter session of parliament. During the question hour in Lok Sabha, members raised many important issues. Seeking to fast-track nuclear power projects in the country, a bill to amend the Atomic Energy Act to enable Nuclear Power Corporation of India to partner with PSUs was introduced in the Lok Sabha. The Atomic Energy Bill 2015 was moved by Minister of State in the Department of Atomic Energy. Members of the Lok Sabha also expressed concern over drought situation in the country, with opposition demanding waiver of bank loan and electricity bill for farmers. During question hour in Rajya Sabha, members raised the issue of Delhi pollution, India-Pakistan relations and mobile call drops. A short discussion on India-Nepal relations also took place in the upper house, with External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj assuring the House of India playing a positive role in stabilizing Nepal.
It was an internal matter, fair enough. It's a sovereign country. But nonetheless, it is in our national interest that there should be stability in Nepal. There should be a strong, stable and progressive Nepal.
सदन की भावना आज भी पता चल गई। मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि सरकार और सदन की भावना में तिल मात्र भी अंतर नहीं है। हम भी उनकी वेदना से परेशान हैं। हम इस मामले को जल्दी से जल्दी हल करना चाहते हैं और हम ये भी चाहते हैं कि राजनीतिक सहमति से ही ये हल होना चाहिए। वो राजनीतिक सहमति का वातावरण हम लोगों ने बनाया है। परसों विदेश मंत्री से बात करके, कल विदेशी नेताओं से बात करके, और ईश्वर ने चाहा तो शायद अगले 5-7 दिन में इसका कोई हल भी नजर आ जाए।
Both the houses of the parliament functioned smoothly. However, Congress held protests within parliament premises and attempted to raise VK Singh issue and demanded his resignation. With Parliament team, Newsnight Desk, GD News.